So everyone, my name is Mayank and we are going to study mathematics in this class. So you have seen in your homes wooden almirah or iron almirah. So have you seen wooden almirah? Please let us stand up.
Yes, sir.
So what is the shape of that almirah? It is of it is
Cuboid shape of almirah.
yes, sit down. The almirah, this room, you can also say that this room is of cuboidal shape. And I am giving some examples. So see this box. This box is also of a cuboid shape. The face, you can see the face is of rectangle. And this box is also has cuboid shape. So anybody of you can tell me what is the shape of this book? Yes. What is the name?
It is of cuboidal shape.
Yes, it is also of cuboidal shape. Sit down. So can anybody tell me what is the area and volume of cuboid? No? So that is our topic. We are going to study area and volume of cuboid in our mathematics class. So see this box, it is of cuboidal shape and the face of this box is of rectangular shape. We have studied about rectangles and square in our previous classes and the face is of rectangular shape. See this and we know the properties of a rectangle that the edges of rectangle meet each other at 90 degree and the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. You can all see that.
Yes, sir. This is that.
And these also are equal, the opposite sides are equal. So this is a cuboid. It is the front face of cuboid, and it is and this is the top face. The top face of cuboid. As you can see in this box, this is the front face, and this one will be a top face. And how many faces this cuboid has? And can anybody count this? Yes? Yes, you stand up. What is your name?
Myself Sachin Kumar.
Sachin. So Sachin, how many faces this cuboid has? You can count. This is the front face, and this is top face. This is the right face, left face, back face, and bottom face. So how many faces are there? Six faces. Six faces are there in this box and every cuboid. You can see in there also this top face, the front face, and the back face we cannot see because of this. You can see on that box. Top face, it is left face, and there are three more faces which are at back. So can anybody tell me the area of rectangle? Please sit down. Anybody else tell me the area of rectangle? Yes, stand up.
Sir, 2 bracket LV.
Area of rectangle. Rectangle. It is of length L and breadth B. Area of rectangle. We have studied area of rectangle. Sit down. So area of rectangle. Area of rectangle we have studied in our previous classes is length into breadth. Area of L into B. Length into breadth. For simplification, we say that L into B. So how many faces? How many faces this cuboid has? Rectangular. These are all rectangular faces. So how many faces? There are 6 faces. So we will add up the area of all 6 faces and we will get the area of cuboid. So this is length, this is height of cuboid, h, and breadth of cuboid is b. So now tell me the area of the rectangular face which is in front rectangular face. What will be the area of the front rectangular face? Yes, Sachin, stand up. So what will be the area of this rectangular face?
L into H.
L into H. Sit down. It is correct. L into H. So area of that front face will be L into H or length into height. Or L into H. Similarly, the back face of that cuboid will be similar, L into H. So area of back face will be the same because they are similar. So it will also be L into B, L into H. And area of top face will be the top face, this face. Yes, stand up.
Sir, L into B.
करेक्ट, सिट डाउन. बहुत अच्छा. ये इसका एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. ये ब्रेथ बी दिया हुआ है और ये लेंथ एल दिया हुआ है. तो एरिया ऑफ टॉप फेस विल बी length into breadth or L into B. So what will the area of this face? You can see this face, the left face of this cuboid. So it is of height h and it is also B breadth. So can you tell me the surface standard? The area of this left face of this cuboid is?
The area of left face will be H into B.
H into B. Sit down. It is correct. Area of left face will be height into breadth. And similarly, the right face area will be the same. Height into breadth. And the area of top face and bottom face will also be same. And will be length into breadth. So while adding these all faces, and we will add all these faces to get the area of cuboid. So area of cuboid will be the sum of all 6 faces. So I am going to rub it. Area of the cuboid, the 3D figure which is made of 6 faces of rectangle. So what will be the area? The area of top face plus area of bottom face plus area of front face and similarly back face and so on, left face and right face. So we will put values of all these faces. So area of top face is L into B. Area of bottom face is, so area of bottom face is same, L into B. Area of front face is, we have written L into H, or length into height. Area of the back face also will be same, length into height, plus area of left face will be H into B, and area of the right face will be same, H into B. So we see 2 length into breadth plus 2 length into height plus 2 height into length. So 2 will be common and we will simplify length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So it is the formula for area of cuboid. You can all see that, and you have to remember this formula. Area of cuboid is equal to 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. ठीक है? Now we will find the volume of cuboid. So this is the area. Now we'll, so you can all see that like this book. What is volume? Volume is simply the space any object is occupying. So you can see this book as numerous rectangles stacked on each other. Like each page is a rectangle and it is stacked on one on other. So it is seen as a cuboid. Cuboid is seen as a stack of rectangles, similar rectangles, same rectangles. So as this book is made up of pages, so it is a cuboid. And cuboid, you can see while like many pages are there. So like one page is there, 2 pages is there. So how we find the volume of this cuboid? So we will add the area of any face, let the front face, area of front face into the remaining. It is breadth B, and this is length, this is height. So the area volume will be the area into breadth times. How many times the face will be? B times will be the face, and that will be the volume. Area of one face into the remaining side. So कोई भी एक फेस हम लोग लेंगे, फ्रंट फेस ले, टॉप फेस ले लें, ठीक है, और उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे जो रिमेनिंग साइड बचेगी. तो हमने यहाँ पे फ्रंट फेस लिया है, तो फ्रंट फेस का एरिया क्या है? सब लोग देख रहे हैं फ्रंट फेस का एरिया हो जाएगा हाइट इंटू लेंथ. सो हाइट इंटू लेंथ. और रिमेनिंग साइड क्या है? रिमेनिंग साइड ब्रेथ बची है. सो वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा? हाइट इंटू ये हो जाएगा हाइट breadth. What will it be? It will be simply we will, as it is written in blackboard, it will be height h into L into B. So this is the formula of volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height. So if you want to note down the formula, you can note down it is height into length into breadth, or simply in simple words h into L into B. So you can note down if you want to. Any questions? So we will do some I will give you some examples, not examples, I will give you some questions and we will solve it. So the question is, ठीक है students, we will do some practice questions based on the formula we have seen. We will do some practice questions. So come here, anybody? Yes, come here. Read the first question.
Find area of
Cuboid. Find area of cuboid of dimensions centimeters. So first of all you will write the formula of area of cuboid. You will write the formula area of cuboid equal to cuboid. So what is the formula of area of cuboid? CuBoid cuboid. CuBoid cuboid. BOID. So what is the formula of area of cuboid?
2 bracket L into B into C into H into H into H.
Sign of plus, not into. Right?
Plus
Plus
L into H.
and into H. No worries, it is the first time. So you will remember the formula: 2 length into breadth plus length into height, breadth into height, and length into height. So what do you see? Now center, come here, take this off, and put the values which is given in question. Two, three. Stop here. It is written unit of this dimension is centimeters. So you have to write the centimeter square. Area is also in 2 dimensions, square unit. So what is area 82 centimeters square. It is correct. Shabbash. Good. Now we will do the second question. So we will just आप आए सबसे second question पढ़िए क्या लिखा है.
Find area cuboid of dimensions 5, 6, 7 units.
So write the formula of area of cuboid. Area of cuboid equal to area of cuboid. सीधी लाइन से लिखो. Area of cuboid equal to so all of you sit down on seats. Now you all put the values and solve the equation. So values are given 5, 6 and 7 units. So write bold letters. Everybody can see that. 7 into 5 units. Units, you will be right. Units. Okay. Centimeter square or unit square or feet square, meter square, whatever is given in the question, you will write those units. 440 centimeter square or units. It is correct. Go to seat. Good one. So now we will do the third question. Okay. So that's enough for today. So now I will give you some homework and you will do these questions and show me in your next class. So your homework is find volume of a room whose dimensions are 10 feet, 15 feet and 12 feet. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And have you any doubts? Anybody? So note down the